Hey, welcome back to another segment of LMS Success U, where we are training and teaching people how to become professionals in tax preparation, insurance agents, real estate agency. So at the end of the day, we here at LMS Success U have discovered a way to get you from day one to the 6th week to become a professional in what you need to do. Remember, we're in a pandemic where millions of individuals are behind in their mortgage payments. And right now we need qualified individuals that can come in and take the 6-week course to become a real estate agent, on top of learning everything they need to learn to handle the mortgage companies, the banks, and put people right back on track with their mortgages. Remember, there are millions of individuals that need your help right now. And LMS Success U has found a shortcut and a way to get you involved in the community to help people. Remember, it's all about helping people right now in this pandemic and this chaos. There is opportunity, and LMS Success U has the solution. Remember, you can go 6 weeks and become a real estate agent, a tax preparer, or an insurance agent versus years in college paying hundreds of thousands of dollars to become something that you just have theory. Here, we teach you training and implement immediately as a real estate broker, an insurance broker, and a tax preparer for 40 years. We can help you and teach you exactly what it is to do as you implement the information that you're learning at LMS Success U. Remember, LMS Success U is your #1 educator as far as tax preparation, insurance, and real estate. And I challenge anyone to challenge us that we don't know what we're doing here at LMS Success U. Thank you.